Did you know that the first machine gun, the Gatling gun, invented by Richard Gatling in 1861, could fire up to 200 rounds per minute? That's about 3 bullets per second. In the midst of the American Civil War, a time when muskets and cannons were the weapons of choice, Gatling introduced a game changer. This wasn't just a new weapon, it was a revolution in the art of warfare. The Gatling gun, named after its inventive creator, was born out of the need for a more efficient means of inflicting damage on the enemy lines. Its design was relatively simple, yet incredibly effective. The gun had multiple barrels arranged in a circular pattern. Each barrel had its own firing mechanism, which was activated as the entire assembly was manually cranked. As the crank turned, the barrels would rotate, each one firing a bullet when it reached a certain point in the rotation. This design was ingenious for a couple of reasons. Firstly, it allowed for rapid fire, able to unleash a shower of bullets in a matter of seconds. Secondly, the rotating barrels helped to prevent overheating, a common problem with traditional single-barreled guns. The Gatling gun was not just a weapon, it was a statement. It announced to the world that the age of slow, single-shot firearms was over. Warfare was changing, and it was changing fast. This revolutionary machine brought a new level of intensity to the battlefield, laying the groundwork for future advancements in military technology. The Gatling gun was the first of its kind, a trailblazer in the realm of rapid-fire weapons. Its invention marked the beginning of a new era in warfare, an era defined by the power and efficiency of machine guns. It set the stage for future developments, paving the way for the more advanced designs that would come in the following decades. So the Gatling gun was the trailblazer in the world of machine guns, setting the stage for more advanced designs. As technology advanced, so did the design of machine guns, leading to the development of Maxim's fully automatic machine gun in 1884. Let's step back a moment to the late 19th century. At this time, machine guns were manually operated, like the famous Gatling gun. Users had to crank a handle to fire, much like turning a ship's wheel. This was labor-intensive and, to be frank, not very efficient or effective on the battlefield. Then enter Sir Hiram Maxim, an American-British inventor. He had an idea that would revolutionize warfare and change the face of combat forever. Maxim's invention was the first fully automatic machine gun. It didn't require manual cranking to fire. Instead, it used the power of each bullet's recoil to eject the spent cartridge, load a new one, and fire again. This mechanism allowed the gun to fire continuously as long as there were bullets in the magazine and a finger on the trigger. One of the key features of Maxim's design was the water cooling system. As the machine gun fired, it generated a lot of heat. Too much heat could cause the gun to malfunction or even explode. Maxim's solution was to surround the barrel with a water jacket. As the gun fired, the water absorbed the heat, keeping the barrel cool and the gun operational. This ingenious design allowed for sustained automatic fire. This was a game changer. Maxim's machine gun was more than just a weapon. It was a tool that fundamentally shifted tactics and strategies in warfare. With the power of automatic fire, a small group of soldiers could hold off larger forces. It made defensive positions more robust and offensive maneuvers more challenging. Maxim's design wasn't perfect, of course. It was heavy, difficult to transport, and the water cooling system was cumbersome. But it was a significant step forward and evolution in the design of machine guns. Maxim's design paved the way for the machine guns we see today, introducing automatic continuous fire. During the World Wars, machine guns evolved drastically to meet the demands of modern warfare. The World Wars were a period of rapid innovation and advancement, and nowhere was this more apparent than in the realm of machine guns. The demands of modern warfare required weapons that were more versatile, reliable, and deadly. As a result, the design and function of machine guns underwent significant changes. One such change was the introduction of air-cooled machine guns. Earlier designs were water-cooled, requiring soldiers to carry around large amounts of water to prevent the gun from overheating. This was not only cumbersome, but also impractical, in many combat situations. The new air-cooled design used the air passing over the gun to cool it down, making it lighter and easier to handle. The second significant design change was the switch to belt-fed machine guns. Prior to this, most machine guns were magazine-fed, which limited the number of rounds they could fire before needing to be reloaded. Belt-fed machine guns, on the other hand, could hold hundreds of rounds on a single belt, allowing soldiers to fire for longer periods without needing to reload. This drastically increased the gun's firepower and made it a much more effective tool for suppressing enemy forces. These design changes had a profound impact on the war. They allowed soldiers to lay down continuous fire, pinning down enemy troops and creating opportunities for advances. They also made machine guns more versatile, as they could be used in a wider range of combat situations. But perhaps most importantly, these changes made machine guns more reliable. The last thing a soldier wanted in the heat of battle was for their weapon to jam or overheat. The new designs were more robust and less prone to these issues, which not only made them more effective, but also saved countless lives. The World Wars were a time of rapid development for machine guns, refining their design and function to meet the needs of soldiers on the front lines. Fast forward to the 21st century, machine guns have become more compact, efficient, and deadly. The modern machine guns, like the M60 and the M249, are the epitome of continuous evolution in firearm technology. These weapons are no longer the cumbersome, crew-served weapons of the past. Instead, they are lightweight, manageable, and can be operated by a single soldier. The M60, for example, is a belt-fed machine gun that fires 7.62 mm ammunition. It's a gas-operated, air-cooled weapon with a quick change barrel. This means it uses the gas produced by the fired round to operate the weapon's mechanisms, resulting in a higher rate of fire. In the same vein, the M249 is a light machine gun that fires 5.56 mm ammunition. It's also gas-operated and air-cooled, but it can be fed by both a magazine and a belt, making it incredibly versatile. Both these weapons are designed for maximum reliability and durability, capable of withstanding the harshest conditions on the battlefield. Now, what makes these machine guns so compact and efficient? Well, the answer lies in the materials used in their construction. Modern machine guns are made from lighter, more durable materials such as high-grade steel, aluminum, and even polymers. These materials not only reduce the overall weight of the weapon, but they also increase its longevity and performance. The use of these materials, combined with the gas-operated firing mechanism, results in a weapon that is not only lighter and easier to handle, but also more reliable and efficient. This makes modern machine guns an invaluable tool for soldiers in the field, providing them with the firepower they need to engage enemies at a distance, suppress enemy fire, and defend their positions. Modern machine guns, with their sophisticated design and function, continue to be a vital component of modern warfare. They represent the culmination of centuries of firearm development, embodying the principles of functionality, reliability, and efficiency that are so crucial in the demanding environment of the battlefield. From the Gatling gun to the M249, the journey of machine guns over the centuries has been truly remarkable. We've taken a deep dive into the design and operation of these powerful tools, tracing their evolution from crude, manually operated contraptions to the sleek, fully automatic weapons of today. We started our journey with the birth of machine guns, exploring the initial design of the Gatling gun, a manually operated weapon that used multiple barrels to achieve a rapid rate of fire. This innovative design set the stage for future developments in machine gun technology. As we moved forward in time, we saw how the design of machine guns evolved. The transition from manually operated to fully automatic was a game changer, increasing the rate of fire and reducing the need for human intervention. This transition, coupled with improvements in ammunition technology, resulted in machine guns becoming a formidable force on the battlefield. We then delved into the pivotal role machine guns played in the World Wars. The introduction of water-cooled designs allowed for sustained fire, while the shift to air-cooled designs made the weapons more portable and easier to use in a variety of combat scenarios. In our exploration of modern machine guns, we've seen how designs have become increasingly lightweight and efficient. From the heavy water-cooled models of the past, we've moved to the compact, air-cooled M249, a weapon that manages to pack a punch while being significantly lighter and more manageable. Throughout our journey, we've seen how the design and operation of machine guns have been shaped by the needs of the times, from the need for rapid fire in the 19th century to the demand for lightweight, efficient weapons today. The evolution of machine guns is a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of better, more effective tools. As we've seen, machine guns have come a long way since their inception, and who knows what the future holds for this fascinating piece of weaponry.